and transfer of heat. First, let us know about heat and measurement of heat. In summer, we feel hot wearing light-colored cotton clothes. Cotton clothes give us the feeling of coolness. When it is very cold outside, we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep us warm. In our day-to-day life, we come across a number of objects. Some of them are hot, some of them are cold. For example, ice cream is cold, whereas tea is hot. Some objects are hotter than others, while some are colder than others. Now let us perform an activity to understand the relative hotness or coldness. Take 3 beakers and label them as A, B, C. Put cold water in beaker A and hot water in beaker B. Mix some cold and hot water in beaker C. Now dip your left hand in beaker A and the right hand in beaker B. After keeping the hands in the 2 beakers separately for 2 to 3 minutes, put both the hands simultaneously in beaker C. We feel that the water in the beaker C is hot with one hand, and with the other hand, we feel that the same water is cold. This leads to some confusion in us. So we cannot always rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold. Sometimes it may deceive us. A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is temperature. The intensity of heat of a substance is known as temperature. Temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. When we suffer from fever, doctors measure our body by a thermometer. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is called a clinical thermometer. Now, let us discuss the structure of a clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. It has a bulb at one end. This bulb contains mercury. Outside the bulb, a small shining thread of mercury is present. A Celsius scale is also present on the thermometer. Celsius scale is used to measure the temperature in Celsius degrees. A clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Let us look at a thermometer. First, note the temperature difference indicated between the 2 bigger marks, and also note down the number of smaller divisions present between these bigger marks. Suppose the bigger marks read 1 degree and there are 5 smaller divisions between the bigger marks, then one smaller division can be read as 0.2 degrees Celsius. Wash the thermometer with an antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly and give it a few jerks. The jerks will bring the level of mercury down. Ensure that the level of mercury falls below 35 degrees Celsius. Now place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue. After 1 minute, take the thermometer out and note the reading. This is your body temperature. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Nowadays, digital thermometers are available to measure the body temperature. Digital thermometers do not contain mercury as it is a toxic substance. We can also measure the body temperature by using another scale called Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale reads the body temperature in Fahrenheit degrees.